Hello there, guys and girls. I'm gonna watch Speak No Evil. 1 minute to go. Here it is. Come on, hurry, 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 hurry. Hi there, guys and girls. Join me for my movie night. How I wish that this movie is some kind of a scary one or lots of screaming factor. There it is. Speak No Evil. From Blum. Oh gosh, Blumhouse. When you say Blumhouse, this is one of a hell movie. See that? And it's James McAvoy, guys and girls. One of the finest actors in Hollywood. Gosh. As you can see the poster, you need to be quiet. Don't scream and shout, otherwise you're gonna be dead. Oh my gosh. So let's go. Bye for now.